Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Just days away from the start of classes for the new school year, the Education Ministry says it's still uncertain when face-to-face instruction will return. The matter was raised at a virtual town hall meeting on Tuesday. Vashon Brown has details.
Come Monday, September 6, students will resume classes using various distance learning modes. But given the spike in COVID-19 cases, the question of whether students will be allowed to attend face-to-face classes anytime soon remains. The issue was put to Education Minister Favour Williams during a town hall meeting on Tuesday.
In terms of when exactly we get into the face-to-face mode, that is not entirely clear. We have an expectation that, we'd love to see the face-to-face mode in our high schools in October, but that is just our expectation or wish or objective. Again, we have to be guided.
Last week, the government announced that secondary school students would only return to face-to-face classes when their schools attain a 65% or higher vaccination rate. As for primary school students,
in our primary schools, the situation is a little bit different because generally students in our primary schools are below 12 years of age. At this time, there is no vaccines for them. So the situation there is different. When we are able to bring the children in our early childhood sector and in our primary schools back into the face-to-face mode, we will be doing so.
In the meantime, Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Grace McLean, says private institutions must also follow the rules.
I noticed also that many of our private institutions are concerned about whether or not they can open face-to-face. We would have reiterated on different occasions that you too must be guided. And it is stated specifically in the Act where these institutions must be approved by the Ministry of Health, formal approval, not word of mouth.
Dr. McLean says the ministry has been meeting with school principals, administrators and board chairs about the plans for the new school year. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.